Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe Connect to handle marketplace payouts for taxes, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Stripe Connect for managing marketplace payouts and taxes, start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Connect section in the sidebar. Click on Settings to configure your Stripe Connect account. Choose the account type that fits your business model. You can select either Standard, Express, or Custom accounts based on your needs. If you're unsure, the Express option is often a good starting point for marketplace platforms. Next, create a new application in your Stripe dashboard. Select API keys to retrieve your publishable and secret keys. These keys will be used to authenticate your application. Configure your webhook settings to receive events from Stripe. This ensures you get real-time updates on transactions and payouts. Now, integrate the Stripe Connect API into your platform. Use the provided SDKs or libraries for different programming languages. This will make the integration process smoother. Once integrated, implement the onboarding process for your users. This includes collecting necessary information and verifying their identity. Utilize Stripe's built-in tools to facilitate identity verification. Create a flow to handle payouts to your users. This can be done through the Payouts endpoint in the API. Ensure you account for the fees associated with each payout. Configuring the tax settings is crucial for compliance. Use the tax feature within your Stripe dashboard to calculate sales taxes automatically. Make sure to set the appropriate tax rates based on user locations. Implement reporting tools to view transaction and tax data. You can use the Reports section in Stripe for comprehensive insights. Test your integration thoroughly in a development environment. Make sure to simulate various transaction scenarios. Once testing is successful, move your integration to production. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.